In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable proxy settings in Safari for ExpressVPN. If you're using ExpressVPN on a Mac and Safari keeps showing no internet errors, proxy loop warnings, or pages that simply time out, the issue is often not Safari itself. Safari uses your Mac's system-wide network settings, so if an old proxy configuration is still enabled in macOS, it can interfere with the VPN connection and block traffic. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clean that up safely. First, open the ExpressVPN app on your Mac. If you're currently connected, click the main power button once to disconnect. Wait until the app clearly shows that it is no longer connected, then leave the app open in the background. This is important because changing network settings while the VPN tunnel is active can sometimes prevent the changes from applying properly. Next, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and open System Settings. If you're on an older version of macOS, this may be called System Preferences. In the left sidebar, select Network. Then look for the internet connection you're actively using, which is usually Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Choose the one that shows as connected. Once you're inside that connection settings, click Details to open the advanced options. In that panel, scroll through the left side menu and select Proxies. You'll now see the list of proxy options your Mac can use. Turn off every proxy option that is currently enabled, including web proxy, secure web proxy, SOX proxy, and automatic proxy configuration. The goal here is to make sure no leftover proxy rule is hijacking Safari's traffic. When everything is disabled, click OK to close that panel. Back in the main network window, click Apply so macOS saves the changes. Don't skip this part because if you close the window without applying, your settings may not actually update. Now open Safari. In the top menu bar, click Safari, then choose Settings. On older versions, this may say Preferences. Go to the Extensions tab and review the installed extensions carefully. If you see any proxy-related tools, web unblockers, or similar network managing add-ons, disable them by unchecking them or remove them completely if you no longer need them. These extensions can override your clean system settings. Finally, close Safari completely. Open Spotlight with Command and Spacebar, type Terminal, and open it. Then enter the DNS and cache flush command exactly as shown in your guide and run it. This clears stale network information so Safari can reconnect cleanly through ExpressVPN's virtual adapter. Once that's done, you can reconnect ExpressVPN and test Safari again.